Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope for your best of health and iman. It's time for studies class 8. Open your English book at page number 6. Today we are going to read our chapter number 2. It's about a dialogue. A dialogue. Come on page number 7. Qasim, Assalamu alaikum uncle. Uncle, wa alaikum assalam. Where have you been, Qasim? We have met after a long time. तुम कहाँ हो, कहाँ रहते हो कासिम? हम बहुत अरसे बाद मिल रहे हैं कासिम. I have been to Saudi Arabia uncle and I have just come back. अंकल मैं सऊदी अरेबिया गया हुआ था अंकल एंड आई हैव जस्ट कम बैक और अभी कुछ दिन पहले ही मैं वापस आया हूँ अंकल. वाई डिड यू गो टू सऊदी अरेबिया? आप क्यों सऊदी अरेबिया गए थे? कासिम, यू नो फादर इज़ डूइंग जॉब देयर एंड मदर इज़ देयर डू. आप तो जानते हैं मेरे वालिद साहब सऊदी अरेबिया में काम करते हैं और मेरी वालदा भी वहीं होती हैं. आई वेंट टू सी देम. मैं वहाँ गया था उनसे मिलने के लिए. पर्टिकुलरली ख़ास तौर पे मदर बिकॉज शी वॉज इल. क्योंकि मेरी वालदा बीमार थी. अंकल, आई एम सॉरी टू हियर दैट. हाउ इज़ शी नाउ? मुझे बहुत अफसोस है ये सुनकर. अब वो कैसी हैं? कासिम, शी इज़ फाइन अंकल. वो ठीक है अंकल. थैंक यू, शुक्रिया. शी हैज़ नाउ फुली रिकवर्ड. अब वो मुकम्मल तौर पे सेहतियाब हो चुकी हैं. अंकल, your school I hear just reopened after vacation and I don't think you have missed much. तुम्हारे स्कूल अभी कुछ दिन पहले मैंने सुना है कि दोबारा छुट्टियों के बाद खुल चुके हैं और मैं नहीं समझता कि तुमने ज़्यादा काम जो है वो मिस कर दिया है. आई थिंक विद जस्ट अ लिटिल एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट यू कुड ईजली मेक अप योर डेफिशिएंसी इन योर स्टडीज़. मेरे ख्याल में कि तुम थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा मेहनत करो तो तुम अपनी जो पढ़ाई में कमियां हैं वो पूरी कर लोगे. कासिम, नो अंकल. नहीं अंकल, आई हैव सर्टनली मिस मैनी इंपॉर्टेंट लेसन. नहीं अंकल, मैंने जो है बहुत ज़्यादा जो है वो लेसन मिस हो गए हैं मुझसे. एंड आई नो आई विल हैव टू वर्क प्रिटी हार्ड. और मुझे पता है मुझे ज़्यादा मेहनत की ज़रूरत है. आई एम ग्लैड. मुझे खुशी है. आई हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड डूइंग सो. कि मैं पहले ही कुछ काम स्टार्ट कर चुका हूँ. आई हैव स्टार्टेड अटेंडिंग क्लासेस. मैंने बाकायदा क्लासेस अटेंड करना शुरू कर दिए हैं रेगुलरली, बाकायदगी से. एंड माई ब्रदर हैज़ स्टार्टेड हेल्पिंग मी टू. और मेरे भाईजान मेरी मदद कराना शुरू कर दी है. अंकल, व्हेन आर योर एग्ज़ाम स्टार्टिंग? कासिम, तुम्हारे इम्तहानात कब से शुरू हो रहे हैं? कासिम, माई एग्ज़ाम आर नॉट टू फार. मेरे एग्ज़ाम अभी इतने दूर नहीं. दैट्स वाई, इस वजह से. आई हैव कम बैक फ्रॉम सऊदी अरेबिया. इस वजह से मैं सऊदी अरेबिया से वापस आ गया. आई नेवर वॉन्टेड टू मिस माई एग्ज़ाम. मैं नहीं चाहता था कि मैं अपने एग्ज़ाम मिस करूँ. अंकल, हाउ अबाउट योर कोर्स इन साइंस? साइंस के बारे में तुम्हारा क्या ख्याल है? हैव यू फिनिश्ड इट? क्या तुमने अपना कोर्स ख़त्म कर लिया है? कासिम, वी हैव नियरली फिनिश आवर साइंस कोर्स. हमने तकरीबन अपना साइंस का कोर्स ख़त्म कर लिया है. ओनली अ फ्यू चैप्टर्स आर लेफ्ट. थोड़े ही से चैप्टर्स रहते हैं. आई एम नॉट वरीड. मैं इसके लिए परेशान नहीं. सो मच अबाउट साइंस. साइंस के लिए मैं परेशान नहीं हूँ. माई रियल वरी इज़ दैट आई हैव मिस अ नंबर ऑफ लेसन्स इन इंग्लिश एंड मैथ्स. मेरे असल परेशानी का सबब ये है कि मैंने इंग्लिश और मैथ्स के कुछ लेसन मिस कर दिए. आई फाइंड दिस टू सब्जेक्ट रादर टफ. मैं इन दोनों मज़ामीन को बाकी मज़ामीन की निस्बत ज़्यादा टफ समझता हूँ. एंड दे आर इम्पॉर्टेंट टू. लेकिन ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट भी हैं. बट आई एम ग्लैड. लेकिन मुझे खुशी है दैट माई ब्रदर हैज़ स्टार्टेड हेल्पिंग मी आउट इन दिस सब्जेक्ट. लेकिन मुझे खुशी है कि मेरे भाईजान मेरी मदद करवा रहे हैं इन मज़ामीन में. माई ब्रदर इज़ अ टीचर. मेरे भाई टीचर हैं. यू नो, आप तो जानते हैं. एंड ही हैज़ टॉट दिस सब्जेक्ट फॉर अ नंबर ऑफ ईयर. और वो ये मज़ामीन बहुत अरसे से, बहुत सालों से पढ़ा रहे हैं. टर्न द पेज, टेक आउट पेज नंबर 8. अंकल, दैट्स गुड. बहुत अच्छी बात है. आई एम ग्लैड. मैं खुश हूँ टू नो दैट योर ब्रदर हैज़ थॉट इट फिट टू हेल्प यू इमीडिएटली. मुझे खुशी है कि आपके भाई ने सोचा और आपकी मदद जल्द ही शुरू कर दी. आई नो, मैं जानता हूँ. ही इज़ अ गुड टीचर. वो एक उम्दा टीचर है. बट वट डू यू प्लान टू डू आफ्टर यूर मेट्रिकुलेशन एग्ज़ाम्स? आप मैट्रिक के बाद क्या करना चाहेंगे? Qasim, I have decided to go in for medicines if I get a good position. मैंने मैट्रिक के बाद मेडिसिन में जाने के बारे में सोचा है अगर मैं एक अच्छी पोजीशन हासिल कर लेता हूँ. If, however, I don't get good marks, अगर मैंने अच्छे नंबर नहीं लिए, I may go into business or agriculture, मैं बिजनेस या एग्रीकल्चर में जाऊंगा, शोबा अख्तियार करूंगा. अंकल, whatever you plan, your plan for life और आपके ज़िंदगी के बारे में जो भी मुस्तकबिल के बारे में जो भी प्लान्स हैं, कासिम, योर इंग्लिश हैज़ टू बी गुड. जो भी आपके मुस्तकबिल के बारे में प्लान्स हैं, कासिम, आपकी इंग्लिश अच्छी होनी चाहिए. We should know that English has become an international language and the language of science and technology. हमें ये जान लेना चाहिए कि इंग्लिश जो है वो इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज बन चुकी है और अब ये साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी की भी लैंग्वेज बन चुकी है. कासिम, यू आर वेरी राइट अंकल, आप बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हैं अंकल. आई विल कीप दैट इन माइंड, मैं अपने जहन में ये बातें रखूँगा. माई स्कूल वैन हैज़ कम एंड आई मस्ट गो नाउ, मेरा स्कूल वैन आ चुका है और मुझे अब स्कूल जाना है. अल्लाह हाफिज़ अंकल, अल्लाह हाफिज़. Here we have glossary, some difficult word from chapter and you have to learn it. Deficiency, lacking something, shortcoming. Has thought it fit, has thought it proper. Going for, to choose something as one's career, particularly, specially. Recover, to get back one's health. Extra, more than or beyond what is usual. Finish, to come to an end. Okay, dear students, come on page number 9. We have to answer the questions. Question number 1 is, why did Qasim go to Saudi Arabia? Here I have done question answer on a page as a sample for you, and you have to do it on your register like this. First of all, you have to mention chapter number 2 with the blue marker. Chapter number 2 are dialogue. Question number 1 is, use black pointer or a black ink pen to write your questions. Why did Qasim go to Saudi Arabia? Qasim went to Saudi Arabia to see his parents, particularly his mother who was ill. Question number 2 is, why did Qasim come back from Saudi Arabia? Qasim came back from Saudi Arabia because his exams were near and he had to attend his classes. Question number 3, what two subjects does Qasim find tough? He finds English and mathematics rather tough. Question number 4 is, what has Qasim decided to do after his studies? Qasim has decided to go in for medicine if he gets a good position. But if he does not get good marks, he will go into some business or agriculture. Question number 5 is, why does Qasim's uncle think that our English has to be good? Qasim uncle think that English has become an international language and the language of science and technology. Therefore, our English must be good. Here we have done our question answers. Now, dear student, we have to do some grammar work. Now turn your book page. Take out page number 10. Provide correct Provide the correct sentence in the blank using the word given within the bracket with have or has. We have to use have or has in the given fill in the blanks. Here we have given example, they dash from England by plane just now, and we have given word arrive. They have arrived from England by plane just now. So first one is, we dash an exciting football match today. As we know that we use I have with I and we or a plural subject, and we use has with singular noun or I he she it with it. We dash an exciting football match today. We have watched an exciting football match today. Second one is, the clock dash 5. The clock has struck 5. The gardener dashed the lawn after a long time today. The gardener has mowed the lawn after a long time today. Fourth one is, dash you ever dash in the river? Have you ever swum in the river? Remember student, we have to use third form of verb with has and have. Fifth one is the milk has gone sour. We can't drink it. The butcher dashed a cow for the meat. Slaughter. Has slaughtered. He dashed two books this year. He has published two books this year. Eighth one is I dash not dash Zahid since he was 14. I have not seen Zahid since he was 14. We dash the match. We have won the match. 10th one is Nushin dash her knitting and is now going to read a storybook. Nushin has finished her knitting and is now going to read a story book. Okay student, we have part D. Part D is about collective noun. I hope you understand previous exercise. Now we have to done a next exercise about collective noun, and you already learned collective noun in your class. In collective noun, we discuss about collective things. A crowd is a lot of men, women, and children. Cutlery is a lot of knives, forks, and spoons. Now give three examples for each of these in the same way. Bundle of cloth is a lot of shirts, shalwar, and trousers. Number 2, furniture is a lot of chair, table and sofas. 3, poultry are a lot of hen, chick and cock. 4, cattle are a lot of cows, goat and ox. Fifth one is stationery is a lot of book, pen and copy. Part E, we have to learn about adverb. Here we have given definition about adverb. An adverb is often used to modify a verb, adjective or an other adverb. In short, we have to add some meaning. When we add some meaning in verb, we call it adverb. For examples are given in the page at the page number 11. He can run quickly. She writes neatly. Let's learn about some adverb. Adverb of manner. They tell us the way people do things. In this type of adverb, we learn about manner of thing. How we do some work. He has arrived safely. The soldier fought bravely. Here, bravely and safely are adverb. Adverb of time. In adverb of time, we learn when we do some action. They tell us about the time when the action took place. In adverb of time, we learn about when. Example are, may I do my work later? Second example is, Ahmed has just arrived. Here, later and just are adverbs. Part C, adverb of place. In adverb of place, we learn about where something is happened. They tell us about the place where the action was taken. Example are, he is here for the holidays. And question number 2 is, it's raining, let's go inside. Here and inside, both are adverb of places. So student, kindly learn adverb definition of adverb and its type, adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, and also learn its definition with examples. Activity number 1 is change the following adjective to adverb. As we before learned in our class, to make adjective adverb, we add ly in the end of the word. Strong, simply add ly in the end, strongly. Brave plus add ly, bravely. Soft, add ly in the end, softly. Fourth one is quiet, add ly in the end, quietly. Fifth one is slow, add ly in the end, slowly. Okay student, come on activity number 2, underline the adverb in the following sentences. Here we have to search about adverb. As we learn about adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place. Adverb of manner is about how something happen. Adverb of time, when something happen, and adverb of place, where something happen. So with the help of definitions, we can find our words. First one is, Ahmed, you can stay outside. Outside is an adverb. Second one is, come here. Here, underline here. Third one is the sun is shining brightly. How sun is shining? Sun is shining brightly. Underline brightly. The old man is walking. How the old man is walking? Slowly. The old man is walking slowly. Sana arrived late. Underline late. C. 6. It rained heavily last night. Heavily is adverb. Seventh one is please put the cups there. Here there is adverb. Adverb of place. Turn page number 12. From these sentences, pick out the adverb of time, place and manner and write them in the right column. Adverb of manner are brightly, slowly, heavily. Adverb of place is are outside, here, there. And adverb of time is late. Write it in the relevant columns. Okay, student. Come on, activity number F. What word is used for? Example, one who speak is called speaker. Then first one is one who teach is called teacher. One who buys is called buyer. One who sails is called sailor. One who act is called actor. One who plays is called player. One who operates is called operator. One who sings is called singer. One who writes is called writer. One who challenges is called challenger. One who reads is called reader. And one who lies is called liar. I hope you understand your word. Learn it again and write properly on your register with blue ink pen and black pen, and use marker for headings and question answers. I hope you understand it. Allah Hafiz. Take care.